Hello, 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 hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican. I'm in my Korean sweet potato bed. Small bed. Maybe a 3 by 3 bed. Could say maybe a 3 by 2 bed. And I am going to harvest some Korean sweet potato this morning. Sweet potatoes this morning. There's a lot of bush that has to be removed. Let's show them to you. Yes, there are a lot of bush that has to be removed. See, here. And I use cattle panel to for the potato slips to run on it. See, there's like 2 cattle panels I use. I just stick it in the side and have it. And I use all kind of contraption to get the potato slips not to go out on in the grass. So I've got a lot of greenery to remove, and I'm going to remove them and come back to you. Actually, I said cattle panel, but this is not a cattle panel. This is really a concrete panel that you use to lay concrete on, that the construction people uses. So it's not a cattle panel. But what I usually do is, like, for a small bed like this, I have actually painted it. It was so rusted. So I just cut it in 2 and I put 1 piece here, 1 piece there. You do what you have to do. And that is what I use. And I use even other stuff. Like these. You know what? I'm not talking against Home Depot. I don't buy these things. They don't last. $5. They used to be $5. Don't know if they still, if it still is. But I buy them. They break off. They have no use. It's a waste of your money. You're better off buying the cattle panel, to tell you the truth, which is like about $20-something. $20 in both stores, Home Depot. And it might be rusted, but you know what? It lasts for a long time, because I have a couple I'm using. I haven't even painted them, and they have been doing very well. So, for Christina, one of my subscribers, look, your flowers are going, your pretty flowers. Sorry, Christina. Sorry, Christina. Got to get them out. Yeah, see? These things break. Not good. I still use them for whatever reason, but they're not great. All right. I am going to reposition the camera, people. It's getting hot really fast. The sun is coming up, which is good. My tomatoes can get ripened, and my peppers. So I am going to finish moving all of this greenery here. Hey. Lots of this. What I do is I use all of this for my compost. I'll just let you into something. Maybe you do that already, but if you want like stuff like this, because a lot of people are afraid that the slips will start growing in their compost. No, I tend to cut them up quite a bit, you know, and then I have cut grass, freshly cut grass, that I put on it. That grass has a lot of heat, so it breaks down all the greenery that you put in it quickly. It breaks it down very fast. So that's what I did. Like yesterday, I started a new compost heap, and I use a lot of the greenery that I took from the Japanese sweet potatoes, and I added cut grass to it. And that will break it down fast. At least that's what I believe anyway. I think that happens anyway, so from my experience. All right. All the greenery is cut away. See, it's a small bed. Let me see. About 3 feet. 1, 2, 3 feet by 3 feet. About 3 feet by 3 feet. And the top is narrow. All right, so here it is. I don't know, let me see what you can see. Let's start over here with this root. I didn't plant a whole lot. Oh, we have a grub. There's a grub in action over here. Yeah, it has to go, you know. And this is a huge grub, and it's lost, people. So I found it. I've found it. I can't let it break on my face. Yesterday I broke a grub and it flew up on me, all over me. That was not nice. Okay, so I'm doing this root. Now we have some stuff going on here. Maybe I could have left these for a little longer, but I harvested 2 so far, and one of them had a lot of scab on it, and I didn't like that. So I said, you know what, I'll just take what I get. And I learned from this experience, because this is the first time I'm planting curry and sweet potato, but I love them so much. They're so tasty. Let's see if I can give you a close-up of what is happening here. The sun is on the camera, and I don't want that. Let's see. Yeah, you're seeing it. You're seeing this potato. This one. Yeah. Yeah. It's not the best shot. But let's see if I can give you a closer look at it. This is it. Here it is. Another little one here. You know. Here's another one. They grow almost, they look almost like Japanese. We have another one in the back too. Oh, they look like we have a bunch. Broke off. So from this root, productive. I tell you what, let me get a little shovel. Going to stop it and come back. Okay. So it seems we have a couple more down in the hole here. Let's see what we got. I want to stick them with this. This thing is to dig grass, but I mean weeds, but it does pretty well with the potatoes. Better than the wide mouth shovel. Another one from this root. Now this one, this is what I was talking about. It has some scabs on it. See? But no problem. I'll tell you something about curry and sweet potatoes. They are sweet right off the bat. You don't have to cure them for them to be edible. Very good. Wow, this root has quite a few. It has, the more you go down, you more scab you see. This one has scab at the top, but it's a nice size. Let's see if there's anything else from this root. I think this is where I had harvested one from this root already. Let's see if there's anything else from this root. Nope. I think that is that. Now, see if any runners have anything. No, nothing there. Okay, so this is what I got. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, from one root. Good. Let's put them over here. All right. Let me go on and see. From the root, I had harvested one. See what we got from that one. All right. Now. Okay. Let me reposition the camera again. Got to try and do it quickly before the sun really gets hotter than it is now. Boy. All right. Let's see what we got here. Hang on. Okay. We're going to do this root. I don't think I have maybe 6 or 7 roots is what I planted. We'll see. I've gone one. Let's see what this one is. If we have anything else here. Nice. Lovely roots. Off these little ones. Oh, it broke at the bottom. I was too anxious. Peel bugs. I've harvested one from this root already. It was tasty. I'm loving this corian. It's very, very productive. Look at this. This corian is good. Yep. Gonna save some for slips. Think I'll plant more this next year, God willing. I definitely will. This bed is not as dry as the Japanese bed that had in the humongous purple, Stokes purple. No wonder the bed was so dry. So I had already harvested one from that, and this is what I get. So there are 4 and there's 3, there's 4. That was a big one that I harvested, and this little one here. Good, not bad. Okay. So I planted 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going on to the 3rd one, which is looking good. We have to keep moving the camera. I don't have a cameraman or woman to help me, so I have to do what I have to do without complaints, of course. Yeah, I have to be careful. Don't want to damage my zucchini plant. It has zucchini on it. You're seeing what's going on here. Look at this. More. Yeah. Let's give you a closer shot. See if you can see what's going on there. See? Yep. Quite a few on this bunch here. Getting a shot from the other end would have been better, but you know what? I do not have, there's too much sun on the other end. But I'm going to see if I can give you a better shot. Hold on a moment. So I want you to have a good viewing experience. Sometimes you get some very good videos, and this is it. See, look at this end. Look at what it looks like. It's very, very good on this end. It's a lot. See? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. I'm seeing on this 6, there's one back there. Ooh, there's a lot on this bunch. Let me see if I can give you a better, even a better shot. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, this is it. Look at this. Ooh. It's not like sweet potatoes where they'll all, like potatoes where they'll all come up in a bunch. It's unfortunate that they broke. Oh, yeah, I think I got a little anxious. All right. Look at the size of this one. Look at this size. Wow. Look at this size. Oh my gosh. These are lovely. These are the best potatoes, sweet potatoes for roasting, for baking. Look at the sizes. Oh. And I'm the only one in this household who eats sweet potatoes. My husband doesn't really like sweet potatoes. But I love them. Dirt is a little bit dry on this side, but not bad. So, this is what this haul is for this root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the smallest one. Let's see if there's anything else in this hole. Oh yeah, that's just a little thing there. So, look at this. That is this. That's the haul from this hole. Let's reposition this again. Yeah. That's the haul from this hole. This is the biggest one. Yeah. So, let's put the camera back and go on to the next hole. Got to steady this camera. I don't want it falling over, you know, and breaking. No. And the sun is coming up. So, here's the haul from root number 3. Uh-oh. Here's another one. Root number 3 haul. Let's go out with it. That's it. Okay, let it go over there. All right. So, let's make sure my camera is on. I think it's on. Got my bag with my towel to wipe my face because it's getting hot. Okay. Let's see what we got. We have, here's another root, and you can see this one. Yay! So here's, let me move my shoe out of the way. All right. And let's see what we got. Like we have another bumper crop coming up. Yep. Let's see. Ah. Wait. All right. Hmm. Let's see what we got here. All right. I hope you can see. Oh, yeah. All right now. All right. This is going to be the spot for Korean again next year, God willing. It's going to be the spot. Have some clay down here. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's a little bit tight down here. Mm-hmm. All right. Digging sweet potatoes, you just gotta be patient. There's no easy way. Well, some people use forks. I don't want to use any fork. I just rather be patient and just take my time. Yeah, you can see that Georgia clay is at the bottom. It's not bad because I did some conditioning. Ooh, it's tight down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, brother. All right. These are big. Oh, yes. This is the biggest one so far. Root number 4. Look at this one. Oh, Lord Jesus, they are big. They are good. Oh, this one is not done. Got to dig a little further. They are nice. Wow. Oh, Lord. Look at this one. Yeah. This is numero uno. Number 1 size. Root number 4 has, let's see if there's anything else. You see how important soil is? Because there's more clay back here than in the other section. This one only grew 2, but it's too big. The 2 largest ones anyway. See? But there's more clay on this side. So that tells me they will go far in the ground. So I'm going to have to really till this soil and add a lot of mulch, which I'm going to have a whole lot of mulch, and add a lot of mulch to it. All right. Let's make sure my camera is on. It is, I hope. All right. See, it didn't have time to grow more potatoes along the slips, so sweet potatoes along the slips, so it didn't take anything from these. No energy, no food was taken from them. All right, moving on. I don't think we have anything in here. Let's see if we have a let's see, I'm making sure that my camera is on. All right, it would be too bad if it's not. All right, let's see. Root number 5. Let's see if you can see root number 5. Yeah, you can. You can. More clay, Georgia clay. Give God thanks for the Georgia clay, I'm telling you. Oh, yeah. So here we go. Let's see if we can get it all as a bunch. Here you go. 2 again. Again, case in point. More clay, less potatoes. Over here, looser soil, more sweet potatoes. I keep saying potatoes. It's a Jamaican style. We say potatoes instead of sweet potatoes. We call all of them potatoes. Anyway, here it is. Less sweet potatoes on the side that has more clay. But they are bigger. Isn't that something? Look at that. So that's root number 1, 2, 3, and 2, 5. 5 roots. Woo. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm almost at the end. I'm like kind of sorry now I didn't have more in here. Let's put them over here. Let's put this part of the hall over here. All right. All right. All right. Wiping the face. It is getting warm. All right. Let's see if we can give you a good view again. My foot is stuck in the corner here. Got to get my foot out. Oh. All right now. Okay, come on, foot. Come out. Yeah. You're out. Okay. Let's go on. Do we have anything up here? Yeah, we have a root there. We have a root over here. Is this a root? All right, here's a root. I want you to see this one. So let's see what we have here. All right. Oh. What is this? Oh, yeah, that's a root over there, and this is a root over here. So 1, 2, 3, and 2, 5. All right. So let's give you a good view, which is this one, but I'm going to push it back that you can see some more. Yeah. Yeah. Look like you can see it, but I'd rather give you a close-up. Yeah. And a close-up view. Let's give you a close-up of this one. All right. Let's fix that one and give you a close-up view. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Can you see it? Yes, you can. You can see it. So here is root number 6. Ah, that's nice. The sun is gone in, so it's not as bad. Oh. It looks like root number 6 and root number 7 meet up together. This is root number 6. Oh, yes. Root number 6. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. This one broke off root number 6. Nice. Oh, yeah. See again? Case in point. Soil is looser over here. More sweet potatoes on this side. Yeah. Root number 6, people. 4 on this one. I just took off one. This one. And this one. So it's 5. Nice sizes. Here we go. Nice. They're not only looking nice, they're going to taste nice. And this is That was root number 6. We do have a root up here. I think I should do this one, ain't it? Let's do this one over here. This is root number 7. See what we have. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. It has some on it. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I want you to see it. Based on what we have. All right. Let's move this out of the way. Yeah. Maybe move the camera back a little. Yeah. Forward, backward. Let's see. Forward. Yeah. Let's move it forward. Can you see it? Here. A little one. Some little ones. 1, 2, 3, and 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3, 6. So this is root number 7. Well, there you go. Root number 7. This is the smallest so far. The smallest haul from root number 7. See? Smallest haul from root number 7. That's good. I'll take that. Nice. Still nice. Oh, we're not done. Here's another little one. It's broke, but that's good. Because some of these I'm going to eat them anyway immediately. Ah, there's another little one. Not a lot. Just a little one. So that's root number 7. Wow. Let's see if there's anything else. Root number 7. Okay, so we are going to go to the last root, I think, which is root number 8. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Put on back my gloves. Oh, man. This one got rubbed off. But that one I might eat anyway. I don't think I'll cure that one. Only saw one big fat grub. This one is from another root, you know. Yeah, it's a little one. Over there. Whew. Wow, this is work, boy, I'm telling you. I was whooped last night after harvesting the 20-something pounds of Japanese and Korean. And not Korean. And Stokes purple. Ooh. With them big potatoes, sweet potatoes. Man, yeah, that was a chore. Okay, let's see what this root, the last root, root number 8, has. Well, here we go. All right. Not bad. Nice size for me. Sometimes I want a little bigger than this for my Sunday dinner. Well, it looks like this is it. It looks like this is the end. So I had 8 roots planted here in this little bed. And could I have planted another one? Maybe. Maybe it could have taken. That's another bed I have over there that I planted late. That's a late. I think I planted that one last part of May. So that one I'm not going to harvest. That's another tiny bed. I live on a slope, so I make lots of little, my beds are really small, but it works. You make do with what you got. You make it work. All right. I think, and I use whatever I can. I use bamboo sticks to prop up the little fencing. I have this forest behind me. It's a forest. It's a wetland area, and I use the stuff. You know, I use the trees. Now I have cleared a path down there. I hope they're not hearing me. The engineer's not hearing me that I'm using the land. I plant pumpkin. I didn't plant pumpkin. The pumpkin is a volunteer, and it just grew in my compost heap back at the back of our land. And that pumpkin, oh, it grew so many pumpkins. But you know what? The critters have been doing a number on them, and but it looks like I'm gonna get a few pumpkins, and I love pumpkins. And this is the pumpkin that we grow in Jamaica too, so it's great. All right, that's not the complete haul. I'm going to show you the complete haul, if you will just give me a moment. As we say, hold tight. Hold tight. Yeah. All right now. All right now. These are the ones that I harvested first, were the smaller ones. So, I'm going to give you a close-up of the haul. Look at this. This is the biggest one. This is jumbo. And this is jumbo too. Right? Some big ones. I mean, I see Korean in the farmer's market. They're not as big as this, you know. There are these sizes, you know. Yeah. Yeah, if you see the sizes, this might be the biggest size in the Korean, in the farmer's market. Not Korean, farmer's market. And I tell you something, last year I tried to grow it. I got a sweet potato from the farmer's market. I set it at 2 of them, and they rot. And just like the henna, I tried to do a henna and it rotted. Same problem. But I'm going to try with henna again. I got it from the farmer's market and Whole Foods, and it rotted. Anyway, they rotted 2 I got. But last year I tried to do this one and it rotted. But this year, that one slip grew. I think maybe 2 slips? No, 1. I think 1 slip. I don't remember. But it grew, and this is the harvest. That's the production from it. So this year I have my own to grow, so I hope I'm going to put them in really complete dark after I cure them, that I do have slips from them. And I'm going to make slips from decent sizes. When you're making slips from potatoes, from sweet potatoes, make sure that it has a good ends on it, because they tend to grow slips faster when they have these ends. Like this one, they tend to grow much faster when it has ends like that and ends like that. That's my observation anyway. See, like this, tend to grow quicker. So, yeah. I try to get, here's one. This is a good one to grow slips from. So this is one of them, and it's looking pretty good, no damage. This is one of them, going to be my slip bearers. But I try to have at least 3 or 4 to grow slip from, just in case. And this next year, God willing, I'm going to grow more of this kind of potatoes, sweet potatoes. All right, let me do a weighing and tell you what it is. Okay, So we're back to the scandal bag. To weigh them. See how many pounds we got this time. I think I will cut this one off. We don't want it giving us no false weight. They say, oh, it's 50 pounds when it's only 20 pounds. Ah, nah. Okay, so I will do that bag, and I will put some in this bag. Yep. So, from 8 roots of sweet potato, let's see what we got. Where is my scale? Oh, here's my scale. That is my husband. He bought me the scale specifically to weigh my potatoes, nice potatoes and sweet potatoes. To weigh my stuff, really. He didn't say what. He just said, here's a scale for you. Okay. This weighs 9.80 pounds. That bag. Pretty heavy. Oh, those potatoes are chunky, man. Ooh, they weigh a lot. They weigh more than the Japanese. Japanese were a little. Most of them were little. Nah. Let's zero the scale. Ooh. All right, 0. And this is 7.78. So 9 and 8, 17, 18 pounds. 9.8 and 7.78. 9 and 8, 17. 18 pounds, 18 point something pounds of sweet potatoes, of Korean sweet potatoes. Let me pour them out again. Good. That's good. That's almost what the jumbo. I'm gonna give you a last look of the haul for today. All right, trying to get a good view. No. Oh, it's terrible. The sun is getting there, but I'm glad I did it when I did, because the sun is rising up now. 9.8 and 7.8 pounds. Oh, excuse me, let me. So here we go. This is the haul for today. And these are the very big ones of my Korean sweet potato. 8 slips planted in a 3x3 bed. And it's over 18 pounds. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy this video and my other videos, any of my other videos, please share them. And please subscribe to new subscribers. Those who have not subscribed, I pray you subscribe. And like my videos. I appreciate you watching me and watching my harvest of whatever I harvest. And I do pray sincerely that the Lord bless the work of your hands. And I'm going to ask you to do this again. Commit it unto him. Ask him. He said, ask, John 14:14. He said, whatsoever you ask in my name, in Jesus' name, he will do it, because Jesus is the way that you approach God. So ask. Don't be afraid. And if you have never asked him, and if you don't know him, he's still the God that created you. So ask, okay? Thank you for watching. Peace be unto you. May you have peace in your household, in your life. May you be prosperous in all that you put your good things that you put your hands to. Things that pleases God. He will bless them. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye.